Representative Adam Kinzinger, RL, on Tuesday debunked a Capitol riot conspiracy theory backed by Fox News host Tucker Carlson that's become increasingly popular in right-wing circles. "I know this will break some hearts. For a few months, people like Tucker Carlson, MTG, Gates, and now Cruz have been just asking questions about a man named Epps," Kinzinger wrote on Twitter, referring to Reps. Marjorie Taylor Greene, Republican Georgia, Representative Matt Gaetz, Republican Florida, and Senator Ted Cruz, Republican Texas. Epps was seen on camera on January 5, 2021, urging Donald Trump supporters to go into the U.S. Capitol, one day before the January 6 attack on Congress. Some in the crowd chanted "Fed, Fed, Fed," Kinzinger noted. Why? Who knows, maybe they knew he was video talking about breaking into the Capitol the day before it was to happen and wanted to create distance. Because he wasn't arrested, and because he was initially on an FBI wanted list and then removed, Carlson and others have suggested he's an FBI operative and part of a false flag operation at the Capitol. Cruz, fresh off an appearance on Carlson's show critics described as groveling to the Fox News host, used his time during a hearing on Tuesday to ask an FBI official about Epps. But Kinzinger wrote in a series of tweets that Epps has spoken with the House Select Committee investigating the Capitol riot and there's another reason he was removed from the wanted list, never arrested and never charged. While it may break hearts, it's true, Kinzinger added. So many are misled by so few. Just look up. Kinzinger also included a statement from a spokesperson for the committee. And added a note of his own aimed at Cruz,